Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Taurus headlight. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and your new headlight bulb. Make sure your Ford Taurus is turned off and the engine has cooled down completely to prevent any burns. Always check your owner's manual for specific model year instructions and important safety tips before you begin this repair. Now, open the hood of your Ford Taurus and find the headlight assembly you need to replace. You'll likely see a few retaining clips or bolts holding it in place. Carefully remove these. Once the fasteners are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This will give you enough room to work on the bulb without much hassle. With the assembly pulled forward, disconnect the electrical connector from the old headlight bulb. This usually involves pressing a tab and pulling. Next, twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb. Insert the new bulb, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly, then reattach the electrical connector. Finally, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original spot. Reattach all the retaining clips or bolts you removed earlier, making sure everything is secure. Before you hit the road, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.